This is Devin reporting for Sheko from Atmosphere Asia 2018 here in Singapore. And we just finished with one of the sessions for today, and I'm standing here with Mr. Abhijit from Godrej. And you just talked about a lot of really important progress being made with R290-based room air conditioning units. Could you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, thank you, Sheko, for having me here and for giving me this opportunity. As a hydrocarbon product, for us, this product is already in the market. We have more than 600,000 installations already in the field. So now the challenge is how can these products be serviced well so that they give a good user life. So the challenge here is what is it that these technicians would need in terms of doing the installation and the servicing appropriately and correctly. At the same time, what is it that it would also give them an edge over other people in terms of their day-to-day livelihood.
Yes.
Just on the, if I may add on the Godrej Vocational Training School which we have, we have a well documented training procedures for each and every refrigerant, and we give practical training and certification to all technicians at a very nominal rate.
So you're providing this certification now?
Yes, and we do this for the government as well, and we have been doing this training program across the country also.
What are your impressions of the conference today, some of the highlights so far?
The conference has been really very good. It has been my first experience with Atmo, though I have been interacting with Sheko for many years now. But this is my first experience here, and it has been really good and encouraging, the type of questions, because there is a lot to learn from everybody. It is not that we have reached the moon, so there's always something to learn, and positive and negative both feedback is always welcome for improvements. So it has been a very fruitful experience for me here.
Okay, well, good luck with everything in the future, and thank you very much for coming.
Thank you very much.